Hello everyone, today we're looking at this Lionheart Trains 4500 in BR lined green livery. Hello, welcome to the Kiln Line, where we review this brand new Lionheart Trains 45XX. It is in BR lined green livery, and my god, is this going to be a treat. Let's take the top of the box off so we can see what's in there. That's just the receipt. First things first, we have a beautifully printed booklet which tells you all of the contents, as you can see there, which I'll be having a look at later. Let's take this cover off. I am desperate to see this. Wow. Just look at that. 4547. Fitted to a plinth. Shall we get it? Let's see what else we got in the box first. We have another massive DC blanking plate there with its resistors. We've even got some detail parts, which are going to be your sandboxes and a couple of other pipes. So we'll fit those once we get it out of the box. Let's get the loco out. Let's have a proper look at it. Yeah. Oh my god, she weighs a lot. Right, so here she is. The Lionheart Trains 45XX Prairie Tank. She is an absolute stunner. Let's move the box out of the way. Straight off the bat, we've got metal screw link couplings, which is something I wish they did on all their locos. Some of you may know that Lionheart is a part of Dapol now, and I really wish that Dapol would follow Lionheart in some respects. But geez, this is amazing. Don't know about you, but I want to see this thing on the track. So let's go away from here and we'll look at this locomotive in a bit more detail. Here we are with a close-up view of this marvellous locomotive by Lionheart Trains. This engine is literally full to the brim with detail. Going from the valve gear, which is perfect. We've got all the pipes and brake pipes, vacuum pipes on the front of the locomotive. Steam heat pipes, which is a lovely touch. We've got metal screw link couplings, which is one of those things that's always bothered me about Dapol locos. We've got all the buffers are lovely and smooth sprung action on there. We've got the handrails are absolutely perfect. Look at that number plate. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous. Just bring it along the boiler. Look at the lining. The paintwork is absolutely exquisite. The brass dome. Even got the beautiful British Railways icon on the side, which has been beautifully put on. Go down this side. Got the wheel. Got the wheels, which are beautifully done. Brake box. The whistle on the top. That safety valve dome is actually brass as well. It's actually brass. It's absolutely brilliant. So shiny in person. We've got 3D number plates as well. 4547. We've got a repeat of what's on the front. We've got steam heat pipe, brake pipes, lots of separately fitted parts, being the steps and the lamp irons. And on here we've got what looks like real coal. Look at the detail on that coal. I mean, And that's premium quality details on this locomotive. Top off, which is on magnetic fittings as per normal dapole things. But look inside there. You've got your regulator, your reverser. You've even got your injectors, blowers, gauges at the top. Honestly, the detail of this locomotive, even got a handbrake there. Honestly, the detail on this locomotive is absolutely amazing. All the top details on there. Got the water filler caps, feeder pipes. Now I'm just going to give you a quick run front to back of this beautiful locomotive so you can see for yourself all the details down the running sides of this loco. I've got the extra bits here which I'm about to fit, and I'll show you where they go after this, after I fit them. You'll see the extra detail pack with the sandboxes and the handbrake rod, so I'll point them to them here. You've got the sandbox, the pipe where sand comes out, and the brake lever that goes into the cab. And it looks like they've always been there. They were push fit, and I haven't put any glue on those, and they've stayed in position on both sides. That's amazing. So, let's see how much this locomotive weighs. Well, she's a heavy girl at 1.27 kilos. She's got plenty of pulling power. If you're looking for your railway fix, head over to your favourite podcast streaming service and pick up the Rail Replacement Podcast. The Kiln Line is happy to collaborate with Proper Chuffed and the Little Western Railway for double ogauge content, and N-Gauge USA for N-Gauge content. Together, we are collaborating under the one name, the Shunting Yard. So, the sound function's done, let's get this locomotive onto the track. In summary, this Lionheart model is just superb in both details and running quality. In my opinion though, I do wish there were more sound functions, as it is a bit light on them. But it is what it is. The model overall is an absolute stunner and looks like a real thing just scaled down. This locomotive just goes to show the true pinnacle of ready to run ogauge steam locomotives. Well done, Lionheart. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see and hear about more updates on the Kiln Line.